Nova Hair Shampoo claims to be a game changer for hair growth and reducing hair fall, and after using it consistently for a few weeks, the overall experience lands somewhere in the middle, not too impressive, but not completely disappointing either. The packaging looks premium and the scent is mild, which gives a good first impression. It's easy to apply, lathers up well, and makes the hair feel soft and smooth after every wash. However, when it comes to actual performance, the results are not as dramatic as advertised. There was a slight improvement in hair texture and manageability, and the scalp felt cleaner, but in terms of reducing hair fall or promoting noticeable hair growth, there wasn't much of a visible difference. It might work better for people who already have healthy hair and are just looking for basic maintenance, but for those expecting a major transformation, this product might fall short. The ingredients list sounds promising, but it lacks the punch that would make it stand out from regular shampoos available in the market. It didn't cause any irritation or side effects, which is a plus, but considering the hype and the price point, the expectations are naturally higher. So while it's not a total scam, it also doesn't fully live up to its bold claims. It's one of those products that might work for some people and do nothing for others. Overall, it's an average shampoo dressed in a premium look, offering limited results and leaving you wondering whether to repurchase or move on to try something else.